I'm first going to apply some concealer underneath the eyebrow. This will just help define it and then act as a base for the eyeshadows to go on top of. The concealer I'm using is quite a thick consistency, so it's going to block out any discoloration on my lid. Going in with a blue eyeshadow, and I'm applying this to the inner part of my lid, and I'm taking it quite high, so I'm blending it like up to my eyebrow. And mixed the black and brown eyeshadow and applied that to the outer part of my lid. I just placed the product down first before blending it. I blended the shadows out to like the end of my eyebrow, so it's kind of like a wing shape. I add some black eyeshadow to my lash line, and I just buff this out with a small smudger brush just to create like a smokier effect. Happy with the blend of the shadows and stuff, I applied mascara and then I applied fake eyelashes. The ones I'm using are actually from Primark or Pennies and they're called Fixin'. I love them, they're so nice. I add some black gel liner to my bottom lash line and I smoked out the black eyeshadow underneath that, and then I applied some blue in the inner corner. And with a blending brush and made sure that everything was nice and blended underneath the eye. On that, I then went in with a cotton pad and some makeup remover, removed any